Hi guys, it's Jessie here. I am back with my grocery haul for the week, and this is all the stuff we need for Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, for our holiday celebrations. So I spent a good chunk of money, about $180, but it's everything that we need, a few things we didn't. So let's get started. So first of all, we needed batteries. I got AA and AAA batteries, so we are all stocked up on batteries now. In order to do Christmas baking, we don't do cookies from scratch because I'm just not a baker. I'm not great at measuring things and the patience to wait for things to mix and rise and all of that. So we took the easy way out. I got Pecan Turtle Delight cookies, some oatmeal raisin. These are Reese's peanut butter cookies, and we got some sugar cookies. Got some brown sugar. I got an apple pie, as well as a cherry crunch pie. We got some brown and served dinner rolls. Alexa, turn on the kitchen light. Hey, that's better. You guys can see now. Okay. Got some onions. These are not for Christmas. These were just on sale for $2, so I picked up a bag of the clementines. We got some chopped spinach for spinach dip. Some unsalted butter.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Alexa, stop. We got some Baby Bella mushrooms to have with our prime rib, which you guys will see in a minute. Got some seasoned salt, a couple of rolls, or a couple of things of cinnamon rolls for Christmas morning. Eric has to make his holiday candy, so we need a lot of sugar for that, so we picked up a great big bag of sugar. We got some green beans for Christmas Eve dinner. Eric needed coffee creamer, so we picked up a couple of those. Also, for candy, he needed this. So we got some light corn syrup, some sour cream, some vanilla bean ice cream to serve with those pies on Christmas Eve. We needed some more eggnog. These are sweet potatoes. We're going to have baked sweet potatoes along with our prime rib, which I'll go ahead and show you now. This is 9 pounds of prime rib, and this is going to be phenomenal. Eric's going to do this out on our smoker, and it's going to be so, so good. We got a variety of different breads to serve with our spinach dip. So we have this rustic Italian loaf, some pumpernickel rye, got this delicious sourdough, some soda. We got some cranberry ginger ale, which is my favorite this time of year, some cream soda. There are a few holiday gift things. So we got some Skittles and some milk chocolate covered cherries. And if I'm not mistaken, that's everything. So the good majority of that bill was that giant prime rib, but look at how beautiful it looks, you guys. It's going to be so good.
Are the bones separated or just left whole? It's a good thing to let people know.
I believe that these have been sliced off and tied back on, so that'll be super handy for when we're carving. But yeah, that's it. We have everything we need for a perfect Christmas Eve dinner and Christmas Day. I'm so excited about the holiday. I want to wish you guys all a very Merry Christmas if you celebrate, or just happy holidays in general. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe so that you never miss a video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye!